Problem number 5. Angles A and B are complementary angles. We know that complementary means that they add up to the sum of 90 degrees. If angle A is 35 degrees, angle A is 35, what is the measure of angle B? We can use this as our x. We know that what we know 35 plus our x is going to total 90 degrees. We can solve for x using our inverse operation. We do it on one side, we do it to the other. Our x is equal to 55 degrees. Our correct answer is A. For problem 6, J and K are supplementary angles. That means they add together to equal 180 degrees. If the measure of angle K is 84 degrees, what is the measure of angle J? So we have 84 plus X, angle J, is equal to 180. Our inverse operation is to subtract. If we do it on one side, we must do it on the other. Our X is equal to 96 degrees. Answer C. Yes. We use our diagram here for questions 7 and 8. 4-7, if the measure of angle 1 is 48 degrees, what is the measure of angle 4? If this is 48, what is the measure of angle 4 on this side? Now, things we should notice are that we have intersecting lines here. And we know that intersecting lines form vertical pairs that are opposite each other. So this angle is opposite this one, so therefore they are a vertical pair. And we know that a vertical pair, each of those angles have the same measure. So if our top one is 48 degrees, then so is our bottom, equal measure. For question 8, if the measure of angle 4 is 2x, and the measure of angle 5 is 4x, what is the value of x? To solve this, we need to create an equation, and we notice from our diagram here that these two angles join together to form a straight angle. So that means they are supplementary, which means 4x plus our 2x is going to equal our 180 degrees. We can combine our like terms. 4x plus 2x is 6x. And our inverse operation to our multiplication here is division. So we can divide each side by 6, and we know that our x is equal to 30. Answer B. And question 9, in the diagram below, angle DAE is a right angle. DAE. So we can fill in our square there so that we know that is a 90-degree angle. And the measure of BAF, this angle, is 155 degrees. All right, we can use that information to help us. Question A, what is the measure of BAC? BAC. Well, we notice that these two together create a straight angle here. So that means 155 plus the measure of BAC, we'll call that x, is going to make a straight angle. They are supplementary, so they add together to equal 180. To solve for finding our x, we subtract. We do the same thing on each side, and we find our x is equal to 25 degrees. So angle BAC equals 25 degrees. For part B, what are the measures of angles FAE and CAD? FAE, I erased this is my square, and this is 155, all right? FAE is this angle here. We notice that it is part of these intersecting lines.